Hi guys, this is Topper Chef. Today we are going to make a Topper Chef original. And you will never find this anywhere else because I have created this dish, okay? Like I said, we are going to make all these dishes from our mother sauces. And I would call this a dish, a cross between a stir fry and an Indian curry. So it's going to be called shrimp Caldinho, but it's a green shrimp Caldinho. And you're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it with some rice and some vegetables added to it. Okay, so for this green curry, this is all the ingredients that we need. My green chutney, Thai green paste, then little scallions. This is leftover zucchini, and there's 3 green peppers. Now, if you just don't want to put any of this, it's fine. You can just make this like a curry sauce and have it with shrimp. But I'm gonna make it like this because I've got this leftover vegetables and I want to use this thing to make it like a stir fry instead of a heavy curry or heavy sauce. So this is why I'm gonna make it like a stir fry dry sauce which I can eat with rice. Hi, Dr. Chef back again. Today I'm gonna make a Indian green curry with our green chutney which we made, or a green sauce that we made before. Now this is off just like a Thai green curry. Now it's optional for you to use the vegetables or anything like that. That's optional for you, okay? But this is what is required to make this. Okay, so this is what is required to make this sauce. A pan is nice and hot, 4 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm going to put inside this the scallions that we cut from the green onions. Saute it a little bit. This will cook real fast, okay? Now to this I'm going to add it's optional to put this, but I thought of putting this as a stir fry for us to eat with rice. So let this saute a little bit. Okay, we are back again. Now this is about a minute where I just sauteed this. Now I'm going to add my paste into it so we can cook this paste. This is the green Thai paste and our green chutney. Now the reason I mixed all this together is to give it a nice flavor and cook this because our chutney is kind of raw. So let it simmer down. There you go. And this is completely different because there are no dry powders going into this. You can feel the aroma. Oh my God, it's nice and spicy. Oh my God, it is so, look at this. This is so green. The texture is good. Now this is where I can feel the ginger, the garlic, and the green chutney, cilantro, and of course the lemon. The reason I use Thai paste is because I want to make it like a Thai curry because of the basil and the galanga and all that stuff. And so to this I'm going to add my coconut milk. There you go. I'll let this coconut milk simmer in this. Wow. Now this has to get reduced. This coconut milk has to get reduced. And like I said, this is not going to be a curry, okay? I'm letting the zucchini cook in this, and the aroma is really fantastic. It's just, I mean, I can tell this was going to be just right. So cook it on high, simmer while I'm stirring it a bit so it reduces and it thickens. Okay, so now you see it has reduced. Good. And I just tasted it a little bit and we don't need anything to it. We don't need anything. This is where I'm going to add my salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it simmer inside there. Okay, now is the time. I'm going to add my shrimp to it. This is about 2 pounds of shrimp. Like I said, I'm not going to make a curry, so okay, so now you can see the shrimps. We'll let them cook good. So for this, we're going to add a little bit water and let it simmer inside, covered. On high heat. Two minutes are up. The zucchini is cooked. The shrimps are also cooked. And I'm going to add these vegetables to it and let it simmer for another minute. Okay, so now all the vegetables are nice and al dente and it's become soupier. And this is where I'm just gonna thicken this up with little cornstarch. There you go. And this is what I gotta do. Look at this. And it is ready, a colorful dish just with our basic green chutney.